They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day. Hi guys, so today we'll be making this super quick and easy Teachers Day card, and if you're new to our channel, do subscribe it, and let's get started and make this super quick and easy Teachers Day card. So first thing I'm going to make is a book. I'm going to take this matchstick and I'm going to take another paper and we are going to stick it on the matchstick. Now to give it a real look, I'm going to take these three papers and I'm going to start making the lines, something like this. And I'll stick them all at the side of the matchstick, something like this. And then we'll be sticking our white paper. Now the base of the book is ready and we will make the cover of the book. To make the cover, try to take some different colors as I've taken it here. You can write some quotes like I'm writing here, how to become the best teacher, and I'm going to stick one more card inside it and it's going to open, and I'm going to write some really nice quotes inside that as well. Now by making these lines, our book is going to look a little bit real. And inside of this I'm going to write learn from my teacher. So it's like how to become the best teacher and learn from my teacher. So your teacher is going to be really happy if you give these kind of cards to them. And now start assembling them all together. So our book is almost ready. And if you're liking this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now moving forward to make the flowers, and to make flowers I'll be using this paper puncher. It's very easily available in the market, and if you don't have this, you can just take a paper, any paper, and you can cut it in the shape of flowers. And now we'll start sticking them all together. We'll be taking one card. And if you have any questions or queries, you can write it in the comment section below. Now stick this Happy Teachers Day. And finally our book. Now to give our flowers look more beautiful, I'm going to use this 3D outliner from Fevicryl. So this is how the card is going to look. I really like it, and if you want to make it or if you want to gift it to your teacher, you can just write these kind of things and they'll be really happy. So that is it guys. I hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for the notification of new videos I post almost every week. And if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.